Let's be real, a good borescope can save you hundreds of labor and turn a guessing game into a simple inspection. But with so many out there, which one actually fits your job and budget? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 articulating borescopes on the market right now. We've got options for the home DIYer, the weekend mechanic, and the full-time pro. One of these is going to change how you work. First up, the Teslong with the 5-inch screen. This one screams value with its massive, vibrant 5-inch IPS display. It's like watching your inspection on a tiny TV. Everything is sharp and clear. The real star is the Ultra-Slim 5.5mm probe. It gets into places a standard 8mm scope just can't, like thin HVAC ducts or tighter engine compartments. The two-way articulation is smooth, and the 6 adjustable LEDs light up any dark corner. The trade-off for that big screen and slim probe? The video resolution caps at 720p. So while the live view is great, your saved videos and photos won't be the most ultra-crisp. But for most visual diagnostics, it's more than enough. This is the perfect pick for the home inspector or DIY mechanic who prioritizes a big, easy-to-see screen and maximum accessibility on a budget. You get serious capability without a pro-tier price tag. Next, meet the DXZtoz. This is the all-rounder challenger. It packs a 1080p camera into a more compact 4.3-inch IPS screen. You get a sharper image for spotting fine details like hairline cracks. The camera head articulates 210 degrees, and it comes loaded with super handy accessories, a magnet, a hook, a side mirror, that literally turn a frustrating fishing expedition into a quick retrieval job. The 8.5mm probe is a bit thicker than our first pick, so the absolute tightest spaces might be off limits, but what you gain is a fantastic balance of image quality, useful tools, and a very reasonable price. If you need better resolution than 720p and love the idea of having those grabber tools included right in the case, this is a phenomenal value buy for automotive or plumbing work. The UJOYOK Borescope steps things up with a headline feature, 420 degrees of articulation. That's more than a full circle. This gives you insane control to look around, over, and behind obstacles without moving the cable. It also features a 1080p camera, an IP67 waterproof rating, and includes a 32GB card right in the box. The potential drawback is the interface. It's very functional but can feel a bit more industrial compared to others. You're trading some polish for raw maneuverability. This tool is built for the person who faces complex, obstructed paths regularly. Think intricate machinery, deep within engines, or convoluted ductwork. If getting the camera lens pointed exactly where you need it is your top priority, this scope is a unique problem solver. This second Teslong model is a strong contender for our overall best for most users. Why? It masters the balance. You get a bright 4.5-inch IPS screen, a sharp 1080p camera, and a very user-friendly design. The articulating joystick is perfectly placed for one-handed use, and the 5-foot semi-rigid cable holds its shape beautifully. It feels professional in your hand. The battery life is a marathon of 5 hours, and the image quality in various lights is excellent. It's not the absolute slimmest probe, it's 8mm, nor does it have the wildest articulation, but it does almost everything really well with no major weaknesses. Whether you're a serious weekend warrior or a professional needing a reliable daily driver, this Teslong is incredibly hard to beat. It's the complete package. Finally, the FOXWELL Y400 is the pro's precision tool. It boasts an ultra-slim yet reinforced 6.2mm probe, mechanical 220-degree articulation with a satisfying control wheel, and a clever 4x by 2x zoom system for inspecting fine details. It has overheat protection for hot engines and an IP67 rating. The main compromise is the screen. It's 720p, but FOXWELL argues, and rightly so, that the lens and sensor quality are what matter most for on-screen diagnostics, and theirs is top-notch. This is for the technician who needs to access the most restrictive spaces. Think intricate machinery, deep within engines, or convoluted ductwork. If getting the camera lens pointed exactly where you need it is your top priority, this scope is a unique problem solver. So there's your lineup. For the big screen budget king, go with the first Teslong. The DXZtoz is the best value all-rounder. Need ultimate articulation? The UJOYOK has you covered. For the best overall balance of quality and ease, the 4.5-inch Teslong is my top pick. And for pro-grade access in the tightest spots, the FOXWELL Y400 is unmatched. Whichever you choose, you're bringing eyes to the job. Check the links below for the latest prices. Once you start using one of these, you'll wonder how you ever worked blind. Thanks for watching.